All right, class, we worked in the front of our notebooks. Now we're going to put a few words in the back of our notebooks. All right, so we're going to start on page 74 and 75. So find that page, pause the video. All right, class, what do we have on page 74 and 75? It's our ers. Our good old 5 ways to make the sound in English. All right, which one did we use in the word purple? Good, we used the of hurt. Find that one. All right, this is our the of hurt. All right, go ahead and write purple. On your first free line, make sure you do your syllables. Make sure every syllable has a vowel. Say the sounds while you write them. All right, hopefully we've gotten it all written by now, and if you had extra time, you would have marked it. All right, what's our first syllable in purple? Good, purr. And which do we use? Good, the of hurt. All right, and then the second syllable, what do we have? Good, oh. But that doesn't have a vowel. What do I have to add? Good, silent final E, job 4. All right, and we mark those two things. All right, we're going to flip ahead a few pages. So we're on 74. We're going to go ahead and get up to 80 and 81. So find 80 and 81 and give me a thumbs up when you are there. All right, class, what do we have on 80 and 81? Oh, it's the different ways we say I in English. All right, well, we had in the word white, we had an I class. Which I did we use? Right, we used it, I-E, but to make it say I, of course, what did we need? Good, silent final E, job 1. So on your next free line, in this first column for our I with the silent final E, we're going to write white. Remember, you need 2 letters to make the first phonogram in white. All right, say the sounds while you write them. All right, class, what did you write to spell white? Good. Good. Good, you've got to add that silent final E, job 1 in, or else it says wit, and that's not a word. All right. What's the first thing you need to mark? Good, that's why we always want to start at the beginning, so we get everything. Good, and then we mark our whole silent final E, job 1. All right, we've got one more word we're going to put in the back. All right, so we're going to flip ahead 2 pages till we get to pages 84 and 85. And give me a thumbs up when you're there. All right, what sound do we have on pages 84 and 85? Right. Good, it's our oo sound. And if you haven't, I put a little 3 on top to remind me that this wasn't you. There's not many things that say you, but there's a lot that say oo. So I want to remember these are my oos. All right, which oo did we use in blue? Good, u, oo, Find that one. Which column has u, oo at the top? Here it is. All right, so we're going to write blue What do we need at the end of blue? Good, we need a silent final E, job 2. All right, so go ahead and write that and mark it. All right, class, what did you write to spell blue? Good, O, ooh, and good, silent final E, job 2. Then we'll go back to the beginning and mark everything. All right, I know that's saying its nickname. And double underline our silent final E, job 2. All right, that's it for the back of our notebook, but there's one other page that I want us to go to and put some of our words on. Before we go there, I'm going to use one of our words in a sentence, and I want you to tell me what part of speech that word is. All right, so remember we have a noun, which is a person, place, or thing. A verb is an action. An adjective describes a verb. An adjective describes a noun. We'll just focus on those 3 right now. All right, so my sentence is, my word is black, and I want you to figure out what part of speech it is in the sentence. The black cat hid. The black cat hid. When we're just learning this, I know it can seem a little tricky. You have everything you need to figure it out. Because first you can ask yourself, is it a person, place, or thing? Well, black isn't a thing. We can have things that are black, but black itself isn't a thing. All right, is it an action? Oh, well, let's see. The black cat hid. In that sentence, what is black doing? The black cat hid. Black is describing, telling us more about cat. All right, what part of speech is cat? We should all know this. Good, it's a noun. All animals are nouns. All right, so cat is a noun. Black is describing our noun, cat. What part of speech describes a noun? I hope you said adjective. So black is an adjective. Actually, all of the colors that we learned today, all of the colors are adjectives because we use them to describe nouns. To describe nouns, we say the blue chair or the pink basket or the pink hair if someone dyed their hair pink. All right, so page 28 is our adjectives page. So get to page 28. All right, page 28, here's our adjectives. Now we already have one of our adjectives here in the examples, and that is brown. So we're not going to write brown again. We'll just circle it to remind ourselves that was one of our spelling words, brown. All right, but there are a bunch, so that's the only color we have here so far. So let's go ahead and add some more colors. Next, let's see. So on our first free line, we'll write black. All right, class, which k do we use in black? Good, k, 2-letter k, used only after a single vowel that says a, I, or a. So write those sounds and say them while you write them. All right, class, what did you write to spell black? Good. And which k is it? Good. K, 2-letter k, used only after a single vowel that says a, I, or a. And what's the only thing we need to mark in our word? Good, our k, 2-letter k. All right. The next The last one we'll actually put down is orange. Orange. How do we say orange to spell it? Good, orange. Orange. And which j do we use? Good, g-j with a good silent final E, job 3. All right, so on the next line, write orange. Say the sounds while you write them and do the syllables. All right, class, what's our first syllable? Good, or. What's our next syllable? Good, ange, or ange. Ange, j. But wait, right now this says orang. How do I make this say j? Good, silent final E, job 3. All right, let's go back to the beginning and mark it. What's first? Good, or. What's the other thing we need to mark? Good, our silent final E job. Underline the letter that goes with it. Double underline our silent final E, job 3. And which phonogram gets our thinking cap? Good, it's our a, ah. All right, nice work with that, class. I will see you in a short video.